ship facts that teachers will not teach you at school. The Mary Celeste is perhaps the most famous ghost ship. In 1872, the ship was found adrift in the Atlantic Ocean with all its crew missing. The ship's cargo and personal belongings were intact, but the crew was never found, and the mystery of their disappearance has never been solved. In 2018, archaeologists discovered the world's oldest intact shipwreck at the bottom of the Black Sea. The ship, estimated to be around 2,400 years old, was remarkably well preserved due to the anoxic, oxygen-free conditions of the Black Sea.